Number 14. Which of the following equations has an infinite number of solutions? Well, infinite means endless. And this is going to happen when you have equal expressions on both sides of the equal sign. And that's the definition of an equation, really. In order to have an equation, you have to have equality on both sides. But what this is asking us for is one of these equations has an endless number of solutions. 4 of them just have one solution, but one of them has an endless number of solutions. So let's take this first one, for example. 11x equals 4 squared. Well, that means that 11x would equal 4 times 4, or 16. And that means that I could divide both sides by 11. And I get one solution here. 16 over 11. That's the only solution in the world that fits here. If I did 11x equals 0 and I solve for x, I would be dividing both sides by 11. So x is 0. That's the only thing it could be. If it were anything other than 0, the equation would not be true. So let's take the next one. 11x equals 1. So let's divide by 11. X equals 1/11. That's the only thing in the world that will make it true. This one, I'm going to need to use some distribution. So I'm going to say 11 times x. That's 11x. Plus 11 times 2 is 22. And that does not equal 11x plus 2. Those are not the same thing on the sides of those equations. That is not equal. But look at this last one. Let me do some distribution here. 11x plus 11 equals 11x plus 11. Okay, anything I put in there, it's going to balance because I'm starting with exactly the same thing on each side. Now let me go ahead and solve this. Let's take this 11 over here and cancel. But look at this. It's going to cancel there as well. If I bring this 11x over here and cancel, it cancels there as well. So I'm left with nothing on this side and nothing on this side. That is because this equation has an infinite number of solutions. It doesn't matter what you put in for x, it's going to fit on both sides. So this is the answer that we're looking for. Infinite solutions means that it doesn't matter what you plug in for x, it's going to work on either side of that equation, because the sides of the equation are exactly the same to begin with.